I want something for free. Cause I don't like driving that far. Then you gotta pay. Then they gonna be chipping. Ah, you need to get back, mister. 434 dispatch, you need to get back. We got a report. Then I'm gonna have to be talking about I'm looking for a tip. Ain't nobody gonna be wanting a tip. Hey y'all, my cash app lookout racing. Anybody feeling I'm ready to get sponsors to go out of town. I'm almost tired of these events up here. I'm ready to go look at something else. I can't get my name on no flyer up here. I'm trying to get my name on the flyer. I'm trying to. This is what I pictured. My envision is my name. I envision. I envision my name on the flyer. What else? Free to get in. Paid trip. New event. It ain't got nobody live streaming up there. Good connection. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And some new people. And with a pocket full of business cards. Yeah, and somebody at the track barbecuing with some good barbecuing with some sweet baby Ray. If they got some liquor, some Grey Goose with some pineapple, shot of cranberry. If not, just give me a Sprite or some lemonade or some tea. Left lane for the win, y'all. Gotta come to VA. They said I need to come to VA for all that. Attention in the pits. We have Rafa. Just installed. Oh, okay, state of mindset and a bunch of smile blocks trying to crank up. They want to hear the starter. Nah, he want to see him camming. He want to see a whole bunch of smile blocks just camming around. Camming. Make croc charms. I need to find out what a croc charm is first, man. I can't even picture it. You're gonna have to show me what that is, Izzy. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. Y'all remember that little fish, the little Bass Pro fish that my grandma used to have in the bathroom? When you walk in, he sing to you. That was one of the songs. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. You make everything. What was that little fish called? The little bass? Damn. I ain't never seen nothing you put in a Croc shoe, Izzy. I thought they were just wearing them. Okay. Made a full pass, y'all. He getting that old 500 shot dialed in. Probably finna go on with that other stage. That other 500 coming.
Raptor got about 800 on that bitch.
Yeah, nah, he got the 5. He finna turn that second system on. He finna turn that second system on. It's called Billy, the big bass. Yeah, the big mouth bass. Yeah. I'm gonna have to look up croc charm. Oh, Flow Racing gonna be at the ADRL tomorrow. Man, who is that? If Flow Racing gonna, hey, that ain't good. Hey, they talking about Flow Racing gonna be there.
Flow Racing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If Flow Racing
Racing's there, that's not happening.
I ain't going.
No.
Hey.
They have their whole streaming thing. They got their own broadcasters and shit.
Yeah, Todd Sally. I don't know if Todd Sally really know what he's talking about.
Okay, somebody knows what they're talking about in Lookouts chat. This is the Stone Vet speaking. I need you to go ahead and look that up for me.
Yeah.
This is my white guy voice. Somebody need to go ahead and look that up.
434 dispatch. We're gonna need a code 6.
5619. This is the Big Onion. I need you to go ahead and find out a sneaky peel for me.
Yeah, we're trying to see if we need any potatoes. Got the grilled onion here. Okay, Rapper Shan's it. He'll check. Rapper, he know how to check. I got one of the subscribers, Bert Gummer. He said, I love watching racing, but you have all the ingredients for a huge YouTube channel. You have personality, character, and charisma on your own. But the group you follow and individual interactions are gold. You got it all. These cars, cake racing, comedy, suspense, and dancing too. I would not be surprised if this channel blows up like Cletus. Serious, no smoke. Dang. Bert Gummer, he trying to make me feel good. Already, Bert Gummer, man. Appreciate it. That would be good if I could get to some money like that, boy. That'll right lane. Alrighty, guys. July 2nd, we got the Gap Fest. Make sure you guys tune in. Meet me there. No, beat me there. Don't meet me there.